Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find here this window of Yazio and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store and you will update your app here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next